This video is visual representation and artistic derivations of the scientific facts and research findings published in famous peer-reviewed journals. Researchers at the Salk Institute for Biological Studies have discovered that mitochondria, the organelle responsible for producing the chemical energy that powers cells, could potentially enhance immunotherapy. The study manipulated the way electrons travel through the mitochondria in mouse melanoma cells to understand if the mitochondrial function in cancer cells could change to help the cells evade the immune system. Mitochondria use electrons to make adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the cell's energy source. When electrons were forced away from one complex and into another, it led to enhanced immune recognition by T cells that killed the tumor. The results could have significant implications for cancers with a particular immunoevasion strategy. The change in electrons traveled through the mitochondria caused a buildup of a metabolite called succinate, which moved into the cell's nucleus, upregulating the machinery in the tumor to present antigens on the surface. The research has potential to make immunotherapy more generalizable, but cautions that similar research needs to be done on different tumor models. The discovery requires figuring out how to manipulate electron transport in cancer cells without affecting energy production in healthy cells, and developing a drug that can achieve the same results in humans. There is a vast array of potential therapeutic outcomes for which particular mitochondria might be modulated. Not only cancer, but also other illnesses as well.